Hello guys, welcome. So today we learn how to make a simple Friday flyer. Without further ado, let's get started. You want to go to the first thing, go to your custom size. We're using 3000 by 3000. Create new design. Okay, so when this pops up, the next thing we're doing will be sliding down at the base there, going to photos. Right, let me circle out that for photos. That's what we're going to. I'll be searching for colors. Okay, so we're scrolling down and we're choosing that one right there. That's the one we're going to be using for the flyer. Okay, let's click on it, and next thing we scroll down to the last option there. We're clicking on it. That's more. I want to set the image as the background, so we'll click on that. Alright, so we're going to click on the add icon next, and we're going to our uploads. We want to add the model we're going to be using for the video. Right, I dropped the link somewhere in the description. Right, so you want to click on that and download the model. But normally you're supposed to click on upload files to go and get the file from your phone, right? But since I already have it, I'll be using it. But let me show you how it's going to be, right? So when you click on it, you can go into your device and transfer it wherever it is, right? So it's going to be on downloads if you download it from the Google Drive. But we'll just continue. So I'll click on that and upload it, and then we'll now adjust it. Okay, let's cover that. Alright, the next we're doing the other text. As circulated the text, click on the first one, add the heading. So we type in Friday. So we're going to our fonts next, and we're using for this flyer, we're using Bangers. That's the name of the font. So search for it on the search there on Canva, right, and you'll be able to find it. So I'll just be using it since already there. I want to increase the size next. Alright, and then spacing between them. And to increase the spacing, I'll leave it at 33. Okay, so the next thing we're clicking on the effect there. I want to make it have a little effect, right? The second one was with the one that has shadow, right? And we're going to be editing it. So the color we want to change, you click on colors there and click on the add icon. Now that ink dropper is what we're using. Sorry about that. So click on the colors at the add icon. Let me circle out that so you see it, right? And then we're using the ink dropper there. So we're choosing that color, and that's the one we're using, right? Okay, the next thing we're doing, we're adding our text. Right, click on our text, and then we type in thank God it's so complete Friday. Understand? Thank God it's Friday. So we're using Garrett extra board for that. Garrett extra board. So you want to search for that. Alright, so reduce the size and then adjust it. It's Friday. Okay, so I'll be adjusting it a little bit with my nudge there, right? Arrange it a little bit. Thank God it's Friday. Okay, so the next thing we do now is the effects. We want to adjust that. Okay, putting the curve, we want to make it a little bit curved, right? Thank God it's Friday, it's better that way. And then we'll now adjust it. Okay, so we'll duplicate that, and then we want to put an apostrophe, so thank God it's Friday with an exclamation using that. And then we'll be increasing the size. The highest is too small, and we'll be increasing the size there, right? And then we'll adjust it. Okay, and so the color we'll be using next is our color. We'll be using the color there on the shirt. We're using the ink dropper to pick the color on the model shirts there, and that's the color we're using. We'll also be changing the thank God it to the same color, right? So the font size also, we're going to increase it, reducing it to 90, and then want to align it again, so it is okay. So the next thing we're going to be doing now, I think the background font, background of the effects we added there is showing, so we want to readjust that, right? So the direction, just leave direction how it was. Is the blur, we're increasing the blur to 62. That's okay, so we're leaving it there. So now the next thing to do there is, now after we'll be duplicating the model. Okay, so we want to add an effect at her back, right? So the first thing, we click on effects. We want to give it a special effect there. Okay, we go to dual tone there. I'm cycling it, right? And then we just pick the first one there, the first option there, and then we changing the color. So you change the color of change those colors to this color, the up and the down, change them, right? And then we'll send it backwards. Okay, so we'll send it backward, and then we'll now adjust it. So does that, want to adjust it, increase the size and make it 2. Okay, we are adjusting it with our nudge. Want to, so the spacing between the real model and the colored one will not be too much. Okay, so now we're adding the final thing. Once click on the add button again, we're going to elements. Sorry, we're searching for doodle, right? I already typed it, so I'll just underline it. Doodle, that's it there. So just search for it. Okay, we'll be picking the first option there. First option, and then we're adjusting it. We'll also be giving it the color of the model's sweater, right? Then adjust it a little bit again, so it's perfect this way. So the next thing now is to download. All right, before I download, I want to add my logo, right? If you create your own, it's good to add the logo, right? The logo is like the identity of the design, so they know who made the design, right? When you make a logo without any design, nobody know who does it, right? And anybody can take ownership. Somebody can use your design as their own, because there's no trademark there, there's no logo to represent your brand there, right? So that's why adding my logo there. If you design this one, you can also add your logo if you have one, right? You don't have maybe on the next tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create a logo. So with design, we download it. After I download it, it appears in your phone. I just skip that part. Okay, so next we're going to PixArt, right? And we'll click on the add button there on PixArt. Now you can get PixArt on Play Store. Just search for it on Play Store or the Apple Store. You can just get PixArt. This is the free option we're using. So we're going to using effects. That is for GLM. Cycle it out. That's the one we're using. Click on effects. It's simple. Then we'll adjust it. Want to reduce the unsharp and the blur. Okay, 13 and 5. Right, click on the good mark at the top right corner there. So next we're going to use marks. Under marks we go to dust. This is what we're searching for, right? And then you go down. I was cycling the one we're using, right? I think that is the fourth option. So that's what I'm using, just to give you a lighting effect. And that's it. So just click on good, and then click on download icon there, and it saves it automatically into our phone. So let's go and look at our flyer. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.